Supplements versus food, the big question.
Can supplements take the place of a balanced diet? Many people reach for vitamins and pills, hoping to cover nutritional gaps. But do these supplements really offer the same benefits as real food? Let's explore what science says about supplementing and why whole foods may still be essential for your health.
What whole foods provide.
Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins give us more than isolated vitamins and minerals. They're packed with fiber, antioxidants, and thousands of plant compounds that work together in ways supplements can't fully replicate. A healthy diet offers these nutrients in the right combinations for your body to use effectively.
When supplements can help.
For some people, supplements are necessary. For example, those with certain health conditions, dietary restrictions, or specific nutrient deficiencies. Vitamin D, B12, iron, and folic acid are commonly prescribed in targeted cases. However, experts agree that supplementation should fill specific gaps, not replace healthy eating.
The risks of relying on supplements alone.
High doses of some supplements can actually be harmful and may interact with medications. Unlike food, pills can't give you everything your body needs. Relying solely on supplements can lead to missing out on nutrients that work best when consumed in combination with whole foods.
The verdict: supplements are no substitute.
Science is clear. Supplements cannot replace a healthy, balanced diet. They're best used as support when needed, not as shortcuts. Focusing on a variety of whole foods remains the most effective way to get a broad spectrum of nutrients and support lifelong wellness.